The new AI model can fully control your computer and phone. Learn how to make your own Disney-level animated movie. Check out what a school for robots looks like and hear about new 5,000 fines for fake AI-generated reviews. All this and more in the latest news episode. Let's go! Biggest news of the week? Anthropic released an update with a CLA Computer Use. Now AI can move the mouse, type, open apps and see the screen through screenshots, acting like a real person. And it doesn't just click around, it actually thinks and solves problems. One user asked it to make a lesson plan on The Great Gatsby. Claude downloaded the book, found information online, made an Excel table, and organized everything. No babysitting needed. Just set the task and go to get a coffee. It can even play games for you, like Minecraft or solve captures. Yeah, that verify you're a human one. Kinda creepy. For sure, it still got some bugs. Sometimes it makes mistakes, gets stuck, or is a bit slow, but it's just the beginning. Remember how basic AI was just 3 years ago, and imagine what's next. Meanwhile, competitors are catching up fast. Microsoft released OnlyPar. It turns website screenshots into something AI can read. It's similar to CLA Computer Use, but only goes halfway. To actually do tasks, you will need to connect it to another model like GPT-4 or Llama or other stuff. And yep, OmniParser is open source. By the way, Google is jumping in too with a similar tool called Jarvis. Wonder if they got the rights to the name. Jasper, another AI, used to be called Jarvis, but had to rebrand. Jarvis will handle tasks you can do in the browser, booking flights, canceling subscriptions, and other ones. But unlike Anthropic's AI, Jarvis will be limited to just browser and work with Chrome. It's less flexible, but also less scary since it only controls the browser, not the whole computer. Adobe just dropped its updates and Midjourney is hot on their trail. Now, Midjourney can edit your photos almost like Photoshop. You just select an area and type in what you want. You can change backgrounds, add objects, and more. Before, this only worked on images made in Midjourney, and now it works on any photo. And yeah, it is still that awesome Midjourney quality. You know, Photoshop AI is still messed up sometimes, giving you an extra finger or a third ear. Right now, this feature is only for people with an annual subscription or those who have made over 10,000 images.
11 Labs just came out with a voice design feature.
Now you can create a unique voice style with just a prompt. You can ask it
to speak like a troll
or like a Tinkerbell.
No more searching through tons of voices for the right one. Funny enough, even OpenAI Advanced Voice Mode doesn't do this. But 11 Labs has some new competition. For instance, Cesia AI claims to make ultra-realistic voices. Well, almost.
You'll find that our innovative solutions can streamline your workflow and boost productivity by 30%.
But it's still good. It can clone any voice for narration or dubbing, letting you pick up the language, speed, accent, and even emotions. Runway released Act 1, a feature that animates a character based on the video and voice. It's basically video-to-video generation, capturing your movements and expressions without any fancy equipment. It looks super cool. Runway seems to aim in for Hollywood. Visual effects and animation are leveling up, and costume and makeup artists might need to start thinking about new career options. The feature is ready to test now. Get ready for remakes with the cats as the lead actors. Did you know Disney was using AI in their animations way before it was mainstream? In Toy Story 4, they had AI spiders spin real-looking webs. Instead of drawing every stand by hand, the team just marked where the web should start and end. And AI spiders do it on their own, like in real life. Wonder if Spider-Man webs are AI-powered too. While Musk and others are building humanoid robots, Nvidia is starting a robot school. They believe the future is physical AI, robots that are adapted to our world so they can actually help out. Think of robots carrying boxes in warehouses or even bringing your coffee and fresh croissants in the morning. So Nvidia is creating a real-world simulation for robots, where they can watch humans, learn actions, and take on new tasks without being coded for each one. Sounds Crazy, maybe robot universities are the next? In the US, President Biden signed a new security memo on how the Pentagon and intelligence agencies can use AI. It's 38 pages long with a secret appendix. The memo limits AI use, like it can't be used to make nuclear or asylum decisions. Attracting tech talents and boosting computer power are now national security goals. It's official US policy to lead in training new foundational AI models. All government agencies are on board to make it happen. Let's play a game. I will draw a picture and you have to guess what it is. Cool? That could kick off a party game with the friends, but today it's an AI party and you are not invited. One large language model draws a picture using code, while other LLMs try to guess what it is. Crazy. China has found a smart way to make powerful AI without expensive chips, which they cannot get due to US sanctions. Instead of huge datasets, they work with what they have and hire a lot of cheaper developers. This led to a model called E-Lightning. It is 10 times cheaper than GPT-4, but almost as strong as Elon Musk model. Training it only costs $3 million, while GPT-4 costs $78 million. In chatbot rankings, it's just behind top models from OpenAI and Google. The project is run by Kai-Fu Lee, ex-Google China chief and author of AI Superpowers. Writing a PhD? Hold up. Stanford researchers just launched a Storm, a free AI research assistant. It's open source and can search the web to generate articles on any topic. Storm doesn't just write, it does full research, finding sources, organizing information, and structuring it with the headings, quotes, and references. They say it can pull from academic papers and credible sources, something that big AI models still struggle with. In the US, a new ban on AI-generated reviews just went live. Companies can post or sell fake reviews, including AI-made ones. Complaints go to the Federal Trade Commissions with the fines up to $51,000 per violation. It'll be interesting to see how they will tell AI from human-written reviews, especially since AI is getting so human-like. It happened again at OpenAI. Another exit. The head of AGI readiness left. Looks like AGI is almost ready. Miles Brandage says neither OpenAI nor the world is ready for AGI development. He is leaving officially to have more freedom for publishing research and speaking openly, especially on AI safety and policy. I guess there is a lot to talk about. Miles says he doesn't like how OpenAI has shifted from the research lab to a commercial company and how decisions are mostly based on shareholder profit. Interestingly, OpenAI has been losing some of its core researchers and gaining more policy staff. But the exits haven't stopped them from teasing a new model. They are promising a new model called Orion in December. Or maybe not? It seems like the company is not all on the same page internally. By the way, Sam Altman posted something cryptic on X saying he's excited for winter constellation to rise soon. You know how Altman loves these teasers. If you ask ChatGPT o1 preview what Altman's post means, it will say he is hinting at Orion, the winter constellation most visible in the night sky from November to February, but it also hallucinates that you can rearrange the letters to spell Orion. Why is everyone so into that name? Maybe because it's as unreachable as a constellation? That's all for today. See you next week.